Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, how hot should my grill be for making burgers?
I want my grill as hot as I can get it. So it should sizzle when I put them on there. And then after about 30 seconds, I'm going to turn my grill down because I don't want to lose any of the fat that's in there. If you see a lot of fat dripping off your burger, you're cooking it too hot. So I'm going to turn it down to medium, between medium and low. I'm going to let those cook a little bit.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.